Hi there, it's Denise with Ladybug Stampin', and today we're going to be talking about my September 2018 monthly craft kit. Yes, I know it's October 1st. Yes, I know it's supposed to over a week ago, but life gets busy, so you know, it happens. But I'm starting today on October 1st, and I'm kicking off the October or Vlogtober month-long, what do you call it? You post videos every day or something like that. So I will be posting every day. Some will be quick cards, some will be more intricate cards, but I will be posting every day. So I'm kicking off with the September monthly craft kit. Because again, I was supposed to post this in September, and I had to post something else on Sunday, which was for the Christmas challenge Stampathon using this particular bundle. So starting off today. So let's get started. Okay, so this kit is based off of the Farmhouse Christmas, and in the catalog, it is called this Festive Farmhouse Suite. Look at all of those lovely cards that you can make, tags, everything that you can make with this kit, with this suite. Now, as always, my monthly craft kit does not contain the stamp set or the framelit. This is something that you can purchase separately unless you already have it. You may already own this, and if that's the case, that's great. You can go ahead and get started. If you'd like to purchase this bundle, you can do so at my online store. There will always be a link down below. And of course, there will be a blog post with all the information on there too, and everything that you'll be getting for this month's kit. Okay, so let me show you what y'all's in there. I'm so excited. There's so much. This kit is so full. Okay, so one of the items in this suite is the new corrugated dynamic textured impressions embossing folder. That's a mouthful. And this is what it looks like when you run it through the Big Shot. Now, this is not as 3D as it can be. I ran it through the Big Shot dry, but if you missed a little bit of water on here, it will create more of a 3D effect. So you'll receive this. This will attach. Your ribbon will be attached to this for this month. Okay, so you'll receive that. But I love this. This is not a part of the kit either, but it's something you can purchase separately. Another thing that's part of the suite that you can purchase separately that I will not be putting part of the kit is this red distressed card tin. Now, of course, you can use it for cards. You could use it for recipes. You can use it as a gift box to give somebody. I love this, and I'm using this for home decor. I will have one in my kitchen. I'm going to put some greenery in it or a plant. I'm not sure which one. I will also be using this for some Christmas decor with some greenery, some plants, boxwood or something. I'm not sure again, but to put on my mantle, I just think it's really neat. Or even on my coffee table, I may put it on there. I love the look of this tin. So I do like these, and I'll probably be ordering a couple of these for an upcoming wedding that I will be in. I think this would be really nice for centerpieces, so I might do that as a surprise. So we'll see. But great, I have some ribbons in there from the holiday catalog that I don't have room for, so I put it in there. Okay, so let's see what we are getting that's a part of the suite. Well, the one thing is these galvanized buttons, and you will receive 4 of these buttons in your craft kit. Okay, these are really nice. You will also receive a yard of this striped burlap ribbon. You'll receive a yard of that. Also receive a yard each of this cotton twine. This is in cherry cobbler, mossy meadow, and berry vanilla. So you'll receive a yard of that. You'll receive one sheet of these Farmhouse Elements, which means you'll just get this whole thing that you see right here. There's actually 2 in a package, so you'll receive one. Okay, one whole sheet. And let me show you one thing you can do with them. I colored the Mary with using my cherry cobbler Stampin' blends. So you don't have to use them as that. Now there's wood on the other side. Something else that's part of the suite, of course, is the DSP, Designer Series paper. You will receive 12 sheets of this Designer Series paper. I love this. It's just, again, farmhousey to me. You got the plaid. I guess it's plaid, right? Yeah, it's plaid. Then you've got this side, some stripes, and this is wood paneling, like wood, I guess, right? Now these are in 6x6 sheets, so you'll receive 12 6x6 sheets. You have this lovely light plaid. Some little checks on the back. These stripes right here on one side and some gray granite background with stars on that. Love this plaid. That's so, reminds me of my dad, or lumberjacks or something. I'm not sure. Then on the other side of this is some mossy meadow stripes. And then of course this reminds me of shiplap. So you'll get this as well. And then this has words on the back like Christmas sentiments, under the mistletoe, see tidings of comfort and joy, deck the halls, and different things. So great DSP. All right, so you'll receive that, 12 sheets of that. You will also receive 2 each of these boxwood wreaths. Did I say 2? I think I have 2. Yes, I think I have 2. You'll receive these. This would be great for decorating your cards, or if you want to do like a sampler to put on your wall, that'd be great for that. You will also receive 2 of these baker boxes. Yes, 2. Yes, 2. I gotta change my note, I think. These are great. You can put some baked goods in there. You can put small gifts in there. Be great to decorate, and you can cover the window, or you can leave the window open. So you'll receive 2 of these. Okay. You'll receive 2 quarter pieces of our sponges. These will come with a little tab to tell you what color. What do you mean color? Well, guess what? This month I'm putting in 2 ink spots. What? Yeah, 2 ink spots. They will each contain a color. One will be cherry cobbler, and the other will be the mossy meadow. So these will come inked up with those 2 colors. And then, because one of our cards, I do some sponging. I love to sponge. So I wanted to give you some of these, and with their own coordinating little late tag to it. All right, so you receive those 2. And this is the cardstock you'll receive this month. You'll receive crumb cake, berry vanilla, mossy meadow, whisper white, gray granite, cherry cobbler, and a sheet of our vellum cardstock. It's thicker than most vellums, and it's great for layering, and you can color on it and do a lot of different things. So you'll also get a sheet of that. All right, so how much is this craft kit? This craft kit is $25. It does includes the shipping, so it's just a straight $25. You will, again, does not contain the stamp set or the framelits. You will need to purchase that separately through my online store. You may already own that stamp set, which is great. You can just use this to create some cards with that. And I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So this month, I know I'm supposed to post this earlier in the month, or middle of September. It's just been hectic, and I'm trying to catch up on everything. You guys can catch me live on my Facebook group, Ladybug Stampin' Spot. I'm there every Friday night. And then I'm also on Periscope every Monday night for Make a Card Monday. So I do keep up with those. I know I get a little behind on my videos and my blog posting, but I do so many different recordings that that happens sometimes. But this is October, and some of you guys may have heard of Vlogtober. What that is during the month of October, YouTubers post a YouTube every day during the month of October. Now my goal is to post a video every month during the month of October. Of course, I have some different things that are already taken up. The craft kit today, then there will be a craft kit on the 16th, 17th of the month for the October craft kit, the challenge Stampathon. So some of those I've got. The other ones will be simple cards. Some will be intricate cards. Some will be 3D projects. I've got a lot of 3D projects coming up for Christmas. I will tell you a lot of the items I got from Dollar Tree, and we will be talking about that on tomorrow's video on Tuesday the 2nd. I want to kind of show you some of the items I've gotten. So if you want to play along with me, you can go ahead and go out and purchase the products, either one or however many you would like to purchase to create the same kind of elements. Okay, I'm trying to get Christmas presents ready for coworkers and friends. All right, guys, again, this kit is $25. And you can click on the link below. It'll take you to the blog post. And then I will also have a link where you can reserve your craft kit. This does need to be reserved and paid for by the 5th of October. So I will start looking today for people that are reserving it. And then I will start sending out PayPal invoices. As soon as I get your reservation, I will send you a reservation. Also, don't forget to join me on Friday, October 5th, over on my Ladybug Stampin' Facebook page. I will be making cards for World Card Making Day. I'm going to attempt to make 10 cards in 20 minutes, 10 minutes, or something like that. Or maybe 20 cards in 30 minutes, because I usually go on from 30 minutes to an hour. So they're going to be simple cards, but I'm going to try it for World Card Making Day. Okay, guys. Well, I will talk to you later. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you later. Toodles.